What's that? Monkeys.
The
Monkeys.
monkey is stuck inside. He said,
monkey
"Oh,
is stuck
monkey, you are inside, huh? You stuck inside, huh?
Stuck inside. Look at it.
Monkey.
Wake up, monkey," he said.
He said, monkey, wake up. Because the monkey doesn't come out.
Because
It's a broken toy.
it's a broken toy. Didn't open. It's difficult to open. You wake up the monkey. Monkey, wake up. Oh, there you go. There you go, the monkey. Oh, you show it to Lola. You show it to Lola, Carmen.
Lola.
Oh, close
Lola
ulit. Close
Carmen.
mo.
Alam mo tawag ni Samuel kay Brian? Lola Hilin.
Nauubo ako.
Lola Hilin. What is Lola
Oh,
Hilin?
show it to Lola. This is monkey.
But they
This
don't call you Lola.
Samuel.
They call Helen Lola.
Pinapakita niya kay Sir Brian, ma. Sabi niya, this is giraffe. This is tiger. This is panda. This is elephant. This is monkey. Eh, ayaw bumuka. Sabi niya, uy, monkey, gising.
Monkey, wake up. Because the monkey doesn't come out.
Monkey, wake up.
Show it. Show it. This is giraffe. Oh, go, show.
You know, she told me,
Show.
where's
Pakilala
tiger?
mo sila kay Brian.
Because I'm lazy to find tiger. I said, tulog, sleep, tiger, sleep. I said, where? Show me.
This is giraffe. Oh, where is the giraffe? Show. Oh, show.
Brian, you wear this one, ah. Sir Brian,
What's
you wear
next?
this one, ah.
You wear this one daw.
Oh, jeez.
You wear this one.
Yes. Sir Brian,
Sir
you wear
Brian,
this
that's
one.
a lucky,
Yeah, right, yeah.
lucky bracelet.
That she gonna wear that when she do the lotto.
When
Yeah, the
you,
Saging.
yeah, banana. Hi, kangena nine.
This one is
It's not saggy. Oh, give peace to Sir Brian now. She needs a quiet breakfast. He needs a very quiet breakfast in the morning. Of course, my specialty, fried egg. Every day.
Wow.
Fried
Walang
egg
Jason,
every day.
Sige na nakita ako church, bumaba ako. Kasi ubo ako ng ubo. Naihinak ko na.
Emma,
Ay,
nag-warm
sorry.
water ka na tsaka salt.
Si ano,
Warm water tsaka
uwi ka
salt.
na, sabi sa akin. Uwi ka na, sabi niya sa akin. Oh,
Sino? Sino?
si Pastor, bumababa ako. Kita niya ako sa pulpit. Ma'am, sinabay ka na. Uwi ka na sa akin. Kasi sabi ni Miss Mary, sige na, uwi ka na, sabi. Ganun na. Kasi nilabasin nila.
Oo, kasi ubo ka na ubo. Ito naman si Samuel, Brian ng Brian. Bakit si Helen tinatawag niya Lola Helen? Si Brian hindi Lolo Helen. Wait, I'll find the Toronto news.
Nasanay na sa tawag
It's the
natin.
Wi-Fi, the signal.
Ala, ako, anong pangalan ko? Hindi niya ako kilala.
Sino daw to, Sam? Sam, sino daw to? Sino daw to? Ito, sino to? Si Lola? Sino yan? May papikit-pikit pa.
Hindi
Who's this?
kilala.
Lola? Carmen. Tingnan mo.
Sino
Lola
ko?
Carmen, malaglag ka. Sino yan, Lola?
Land chocolate.
Tingnan mo. Ayoko. Sino daw to, Lola? Carmen. Dali. Si tatay, alam niya na tawagin Guy ang tawag niya Guy.
Si Helen
Lola
niya, alam niya.
Edgar.
Lola Helen.
Ganon.
Lola Helen
Ako,
pa.
wala.
Si Lola daw, sino daw to? Banggitin mo pangalan ni Lola. Sino siya, Lola? Lola? Carmen. Lola Guy. Lola Guy daw.
Sino Helen?
Si
Lola
Lola
Helen.
Guy.
But she doesn't know my mother.
Lola, Carmen. Sam. Uy.
Sige, alam ko. Sinisip ko na ako.
Sandali nga tatawag ako. Sandali, naayos ko tong ano.